Good morning students. Let's continue chapter 9. Today's topic is exercise 9.2. Let's start the solution of the differential equation. In this exercise student, no extra formula. Okay, so let's start the question first. For this question, we have to verify that the given function is a solution of corresponding differential equation. Okay, it means this is the differential equation and this is the function. We have to show that this function is a solution of this differential equation. Okay, so to solve this question, first the given function is y is equal to e raised to x plus 1. Okay, differentiating both sides with respect to x, we have here dy upon dx is equal to e raised x, as it is derivative of 1 is 0. Now again differentiating both sides with respect to x, you will get d square y upon dx square is equal to e raised x. Okay, and now substitute this value in the given differential equation. If it is equal to 0, then it's verified. From this equation also you will find the solution. So now putting the values of d square y upon dx square and dy upon dx in the given differential equation. Okay, so in LHS you will get e raised x minus e raised x is equal to 0. Since d square y dx square is e raised to x, okay, and dy upon dx is also e raised to x is equal to 0. It means y is equal to e raised to x plus 1 is a solution of differential equation. Move for the second question. In this question here y is given, okay, it is the function. We have to prove this. It is the solution of this differential equation. Okay, so first from this function find the derivative. So dy upon dx is equal to 2x plus 2. Okay, and by transferring this 2x plus 2 in this side, you will get here y dash minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. In one step you can get the answer, or you can do like this. Putting value of dy upon dx in the differential equation. Okay, so you have 2x plus 2 minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0, and function is a solution of the differential equation. Move for the next question. All questions are this type, students here. Okay, so let's see question number 3. Here it is function is given y is equal to cos x plus c. Okay, and we have to show that it is the solution of y dash plus sin x is equal to 0. Okay, so take derivative, differentiating both sides with respect to x, you will get dy upon dx is equal to minus sin x. Okay, and by putting the value of dy upon dx in the differential equation, you will get minus sin x plus sin x is equal to 0. In this differential equation, substitute the value of dy upon dx, it is minus sin x. Okay, otherwise from here you can write it's y dash plus sin x, okay, is equal to 0. It is also same. Move for the next question. Now question number 4. Here y is equal to given under root 1 plus x square. Okay, and differential equation is given y dash is equal to xy upon 1 plus x square. Okay, so first differentiating both sides with respect to x, you will get here student dy upon dx is equal to, here apply the formula. Okay, so it is 1 by 2 the root 1 plus x square, and then again apply the chain rule. So derivative of 1 plus x square, it is 2x. 2 will cancel, so you will get here x by under root 1 plus x square. Now putting values of y dash and y, okay, in the given differential equation. Okay, so you will have in this differential equation here LHS is equal to x by the root 1 plus x square. Okay, it is the value of y dash, and RHS. Here it is xy upon 1 plus x square. So write x by 1 plus x square as it is and substitute the value of y. Y is equal to under root 1 plus x square. So here you will get x upon under root 1 plus x square. Now see, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So you can say that y is equal to under root 1 plus x square is a solution of differential equation y dash is equal to xy upon 1 plus x square. Now move for the question number 5. Here student, y is equal to given ax, okay, and xy dash is equal to y. So first y is equal to ax, differentiating both sides with respect to x, you will get dy upon dx is equal to a only, okay, derivative of x is 1. Now putting the values of y dash and y in the given differential equation. It is the given differential equation, okay. So in LHS, it is x into y dash. So x write as it is student, and in place of y dash it is a. So you will get ax, okay, and RHS it is ax, okay, since it is y and value of y is given ax. Now see, LHS is equal to RHS. Thus, y is equal to ax is a solution of differential equation x y dash is equal to y. Now, question number 6. Here, y is equal to given x sin x, okay, and differential equation is given x y dash is equal to y plus x under root x square minus y square, okay students. So, first of all, differentiating both sides with respect to x. Here you will get dy upon dx, okay, and here apply the product rule. So first x write as it is, derivative of sin x is cos x, then take plus sign. Now sin x as it is and derivative of x is 1, okay. Now putting the values of y dash and y in the given differential equation. So LHS of the differential equation is x write as it is student, in place of y dash, okay, write x cos x plus sin x, okay. Now multiply, you will get here x square cos x plus x sin x, okay. And now see in RHS, okay, RHS here it is y plus x under root x square minus y square, okay. So in place of y you have to write x sin x, then plus as it is, x as it is, under root x square write as it is. In place of y you have to write x sin x, it is y square, so it is x square sin square x, okay students. So you will get here x sin x, then plus x, and from this take x square, take common, it would be x, okay, outside of the under root. So you will get x square under root 1 minus sin square x, 1 minus sin square, it is cos square x, so it becomes x sin x plus x square cos x, okay. So you see that LHS is equal to RHS. Thus y is equal to x sin x is a solution of differential equation x y dash is equal to y plus x under root x square minus y square. Now student, move for the question number 7. Here xy is equal to log y plus c and differential equation is given y dash is equal to y square upon 1 minus xy, okay. Very simple question. First take derivative, okay. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, you will get here apply the product rule. It is x dy upon dx, okay, plus y, and here it is 1 upon y dy upon dx. Derivative of log y, it is 1 upon y, and then derivative of y with respect to x, it is dy upon dx, okay. And now take dy upon dx in these two terms. You will get 1 upon y minus x dy upon dx is equal to y, okay. So dy upon dx is equal to y square upon 1 minus xy, okay. Now see, it is the differential equation. Thus we can say that xy is equal to log y plus c is a solution of a differential equation. Now solve question number 8. Here question is given y minus cos y is equal to x, okay students, and differential equation is given y sin y plus cos y plus x, okay, into y dash is equal to y. So first of all, differentiating both sides with respect to x, okay, of given function, you will get dy upon dx. Now derivative of cos y, it is minus sin y, so it becomes plus sin y, and then derivative of y, dy upon dx is equal to derivative of x, it is 1, okay. So now find dy upon dx, take common in these two terms, student, you will get 1 plus sin y, okay. So here it is 1 upon 1 plus sin y, it is dy upon dx. Now putting values of y dash and x in the given differential equation. So first in LHS, okay, so you will get, student, so you will get here LHS is y sin y plus cos y plus y minus cos y. It is the value of x, okay, it is given in the question, okay. Then into 1 upon 1 plus sin y, it is the value of y dash, okay. Now see here cos y will cancel to cos y, it is plus cos y, here it is minus cos y, okay. Y take common, so you will get here y into 1 plus sin y, okay, into it is 1 upon 1 plus sin y. So 1 plus sin y, 1 plus sin y will cancel and you will get only y. Now see, it is the RHS, it is RHS. So we can say that y minus cos y is equal to x is a solution of differential equation. Now students, solve question number 9. Here function is given x plus y is equal to tan inverse y, okay, and it is the differential equation. Y square into y dash plus y square plus 1 is equal to 0, okay. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, you will get from here it is 1 plus dy upon dx is equal to derivative of tan inverse y, it is 1 upon 1 plus y square into dy upon dx, okay. And in the next step you will get here dy upon dx take a common, so it is 1 upon 1 plus y square minus 1 into dy upon dx is equal to 1. So dy upon dx would be minus, take common here, 1 plus y square upon y square, okay. Now putting values of y dash in the given differential equation, LHS, you will get y square into, here it is minus in bracket 1 plus y square upon y square plus y square plus 1, write as it is, student. See here y square will cancel, you will get minus 1 minus y square, it is plus y square plus 1, so it is equal to 0, it is given in the RHS. So we can say that the x plus y is equal to tan inverse y is a solution of given differential equation. Now student, question number 10. Okay, here it is given y is equal to under root a square minus x square, okay, and differential equation is x plus y dy upon dx is equal to 0. So first of all, differentiating both sides with respect to x, you will get dy upon dx is equal to, here student, okay, derivative is 1 by 2 under root a square minus x square, and then derivative of a square minus x square, it is a minus 2x. Now 2 will cancel, or you will get minus x upon under root a square minus x square. Now putting values of dy upon dx and y in the given differential equation, okay. Here LHS is, it is the given differential equation, x write as it is, okay. In place of dy upon dx, you have to write minus x upon under root a square minus x square, and in place of y it is under root a square minus x square. Here under root a square minus x square will cancel to under root a square minus x square, okay. So you will get x minus x, it is 0, it is equal to RHS. Now question number 11. Okay, you have to find the number of arbitrary constant in the general solution of a differential equation of fourth order R. Okay, so here the answer is 4. Okay, since we know that number of arbitrary constant in a general solution of a differential equation is equal to order of differential equation. Okay, if the equation is of order 2, then number of constant will be 2. Here differential equation is of order 4, hence there will be 4 arbitrary constant. Okay, so answer is 4. Option D is a correct answer. Now student, question number 12. The number of arbitrary constant in the particular solution, okay, of a differential equation of third order are. Okay, answer is 0. In the previous question, it was the general solution. Okay, so student, in the general solution, we have the arbitrary constant. But in the particular solution, there is no any constant. So, we know that particular solution of a differential equation have no arbitrary constant. Okay, so answer is D. Now, this exercise ends here.